Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how you can create a group on WhatsApp. It is pretty simple to create a group on WhatsApp. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and also make sure that you have a participant or a contact list to create a group with. So without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, open up your WhatsApp application. When you open your WhatsApp application, this kind of interface might appear on your device. In order to create a WhatsApp group, all you have to do is on the chat page in the top right corner, tap on the three dot icon. As you tap on it, from the drop down menu, tap on new group. As you tap on new group, on the other page you have all the contact list that is on your device. From here, you'll have to select the contact that you actually want to create a group with. And also, there is no limitation in selecting the contact. You can add as much as people as possible. So once you're done selecting your contact list, next you'll have to tap on the arrow icon, which is right in the corner. And on the other page, you'll have to create a name for the group. So you can create any name that you like. And once you're done, tap on the green icon in the bottom right corner. And over here, you can see that the group has been created and now you're all set to go. And that is how you can create a group on WhatsApp. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.